Hi, good afternoon. Yeah, today I'm going to pour the number 19 and 20 strips. So actually, I will started on number 19. So this mix on wheelbarrow is intended for strip number 20. So, but I gotta pour only halfway just to cover the base course, just protection with a possible rain tonight. So, and yesterday I poured what number is this? 15 and 16. Yeah, number 15 and 16. Yeah, so it's already dry, so I just start putting water for curing. So in 7 days we have already a minimum strength obtained. So about uh, 1/4 or 25% of 25 MPa concrete strength in 28 days. So what I'm gonna do here, I just pour to cover the base course for possible rain tonight or tomorrow. Yeah, because I'm not working tomorrow, so I have to do my maintenance at home. So I have a lot of things to do in my garden at home. So I just resume on Monday. So I have to cover this base course, not to get wet and becomes soft when it rains. Alright folks, we're already finished on the upper part of this concrete footpath. So after 19 and 20 we have only remaining one full strips and a small ones with a subsoil drain. So here I have a subsoil drain or drain flow. So I'm going to put it in here and cover it with sand, but I have to put some socks. The purpose of this drain flow is to collect all the underground water or seepage coming up from the retaining wall on our neighbor's soil. So all the water will collect from this, and then it flows on that water channel. I'll show you when I do that. So hopefully next week. Alright folks, I have to continue pouring number 20, just as I said, just to cover the base course. Okay, thank you so much, and please be safe, and I hope everyone's okay at the moment and COVID free. God bless, and bye for now. See you soon. Bye.